I will show some iconic recipes. It's called Yum Samo, which translates to pomelo. It's a Thai pomelo salad. So we'll start with putting the pomelo in the bowl. We'll put some sliced onions. We'll add some chopped coriander, cherry tomatoes. These are roasted cashew nuts. These are the chopped Thai herbs that I have already chopped. So this is chili, kaffir lime, galangal, and lemongrass. So you finely chop it, and you put like this much, like 1 teaspoon. This is the sweet chili sauce. So you put the sweet chili sauce. This is the plum sauce. This is relatively thicker than the sweet chili sauce. This is light soy sauce. Some chopped bird-eye chili, and you mix it all together, and you squeeze 1/4 of the lemon. So it looks like a sauce. And then gently mix with your hands. We will garnish it with some fried onions, some more coriander leaves.